Black hole collisions are so violent, they warp time, space, and reality itself. Some of these mergers produced signals so strange that physicists still argue over what they really mean. Subscribe if you are into space mysteries like this, and let's get into it. At number 7 stands GW 150914, the first black hole collision ever detected by humanity. This merger released more energy in a split second than all the stars in the observable universe combined. It confirmed Einstein's predictions, but also showed gravity behaving at impossible extremes. At number 6 lies GW170104, a collision that challenged how black holes are supposed to spin. The spins appeared misaligned, suggesting these black holes did not form together naturally. That implied chaotic environments or unknown formation processes. At number 5 rises GW190521, the most massive black hole collision ever recorded. The resulting black hole landed directly inside the so-called mass gap, where none should exist. Current physics says stars cannot form black holes of this size. Coming in at number 4 is a collision so fast it nearly defied detection. The signal was shorter than expected, suggesting extreme orbital speeds that pushed gravitational wave models to their limits. At number 3 stands a collision that may not have involved black holes at all. Some scientists believe one object could have been an exotic compact object instead. At number 2 lies a collision detected without any visible light whatsoever. Astronomers expected some form of electromagnetic signal. Instead, the universe stayed completely dark. At number 1 rises the collision that forced physicists to question reality itself. The gravitational waves appeared distorted in ways current equations cannot fully explain. Some models suggest unknown physics briefly emerged during the merger. Black hole collisions are not just cosmic crashes, they are stress tests for reality. Subscribe for more from us at InfinityVeil and check out our shorts for more quick black hole mysteries.